Hey everybody, I'm Angela with Installs and Pitfalls, and today we're going to be changing our cabin air filter on our Ford F250 that's new to us. So we found something kind of interesting in there, and stay tuned to check it out. Okay, so we need to open both glove boxes, the upper glove box and the lower glove box. So now that you have both glove boxes open, over here on the right side, there is a dampening arm that you need to remove in order to drop this lower glove box down. So the dampening arm is right here, and you need to pull this out. And then there are some little clips on either side here, and you should be able to just push in both sides like this and kind of flex it, and this lower piece will pop off and drop down. So now that we have the lower glove box down all the way, there's a tray here that you grab and pull towards you, and it comes out really easily, and it's held on by these clips. And we'll just set that to the side. And next thing we need to do is remove these 7mm hex head bolts. So I have this cute little ratchet. You could use different things, whatever you have will be fine. Not great. Okay, now that we have those removed, we'll set those to the side. So now that we have those 7mm bolts out, we need to remove this. It's one piece like this, and you just pull, and then it has some wires connected on the side, so don't pull it all the way out. Like, okay. And just spin that down. And now that that's out of the way, we can see our cabin filter. Okay, so now that we have everything out of the way, we can look in and see the box that the actual filter is in. It is this honeycomb box. It has two clips on each side, and then the bottom has little hinge clips. So we'll open it by pulling each side like that. And now there's the filter. So all you have to do is remove it. It looks brand new but smashed. Okay, so now that we have this out, put it in upside down. It should have had this part in the front with the arrows facing downward. And then it's also very smashed. So that's just another reason to do your own maintenance on some things, because you can't always trust people to do the things. So you can save money and then also make sure it was done correctly. So we'll get the new filter and put it in, and we decided to go with a carbon filter. So it's basically like charcoal, and it gets rid of like funky smells, and you know, it's just better quality. So this is what we're going with. We'll put a link to it in the description. We got it on Amazon, so, and it's an unaffiliated link. So okay, airflow down, and we'll get this new one installed. So airflow down. Gently push it in and make sure it's pressed to the bottom. Perfect. Now to reinstall everything. Okay, so the honeycomb cover, you set these little clips down here, and then you just push it on either side. So now, carefully, not to pull these wires too much. Push this back in. Going down the line, making sure you push all of the fasteners back in. And then those of you that don't know how to use this, just flip that to the other side to tighten now. Because you don't need to unscrew it, you need to tighten it. Okay. Let's take it over. I had it another way. Okay. And then don't over tighten. There's plastic. You don't want to damage or strip it. Now we put the shelf back in. It's held on with these, and you have to put this in the right position. Inside there are 3 little holes. Let's see if I can show you. The 3 little holes, 2 and 3. Okay. Got it? Okay, so put those in the 3 little holes. And make sure everything is tucked in nicely. Okay, so now we're going to pull this glove box back up. There is a little knob right here. Can you see that? That needs to be pushed in to go inside of this area. And there's a knob right here as well. So I'm just going to brace it with my knee and push those in. And now they're inside. And then the arm goes in that little hole down at the bottom. Glove box is back on. Done. Everything should work as it's supposed to. Okay, it's all finished. Super easy job today. Do you guys do any jobs like this yourself to save money, or perhaps make sure it's not messed up? Let us know in the comments. We really appreciate you watching. If you would share it with someone that you think it might help, subscribe, help our channel grow, we'd really appreciate it. We'll be doing more content in the near future, so thanks again for watching, and we will see you soon. Okay, so turns out the air filter that was upside down is actually a Hyundai Palisade air filter. Not sure what's up with that. Just thought I'd let you guys know. So maybe you should do your own maintenance. Thanks for watching.